I will basically give away my $25 Apple gift card so you guys can purchase the app. It feels like
I hate this channel.
No! No!
Hey you guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And for those that are new, don't forget to hit that red button down below. Turning on your post notification, hashtagging Reesie Gang in the comments to support your girl, because you know I want you guys to join the fam. I'm here to help you. Comment down anything you need me to film because I am down. I have time, so let me know down in the comments. For those that are returning, hey girl, welcome back. Oh my gosh, I was so happy to do this video for you guys. If you don't know, for those that are part of the fam and don't know, I have a TikTok. It's called Reesie Diaries. I do cooking, lifestyle, beauty videos, and this one video blew up, and I had a lot of people ask me to make a tutorial about the mirror challenge, how I take my photos, how I edit my photos, all that to get the perfect lighting, because people were just shook, I guess, about that I made those photos. Like, I thought they were like whatever photos, but you guys really messed with them. So I decided to make a YouTube video about it because you guys said you wanted to see me do a YouTube video in detail. Like, I am giving you guys detail on how I take photos, and this like goes for any type of photos on my Instagram as well. So if you want to know how I take pictures in the mirror challenge, or have aesthetically pleasing photos and a mirror, then stay tuned. Bye. So as you can see, you guys, I have the mirror out here, and you want to make sure that the sun bounces back to your face. Angle it to where the sun bounces off your face. My favorite type of pictures is when the mirror is on the floor. So I want the sun to bounce back at my face. That's how you get really high quality photos. Even with any iPhone, I prefer the iPhone 8 and above. If you want like that real high quality photos. And yeah, so I'm gonna take some photos, and I'll see you guys later. So you guys, I'm gonna tell you off top, I did pay for this app called Prequel. This app is where all the filters I am using. I'm showing you guys all the price points on Prequel Gold, the yearly, monthly, and weekly. They did charge me, or tried to charge me, at $34.99, and then I went back into subscriptions and found out all these price points, and so now I am paying $17.99 for the year. So I am doing like a little giveaway, $25 for those that really want the app and can't afford it. So yeah. So you guys, I am going to open up this Prequel app. As you know, I am doing a giveaway. So for those that can't afford it, you know, just follow the rules and you'll get a free year's worth of Prequel. So I'm taking my favorite of the favorite photo and I'm going to edit it. They do have a section at the bottom. We're going to go into effects first, and we're going to pick VHS and number 4, and there's little sections like distortion, and see how it just distorts the image. So I keep that at 0. Filter, I'm going to keep at like 41, I guess. And HUD is either like, you know, the little play button. So I'm going to go into filters now, and I am going to go into San Francisco, I believe. San Francisco, Miami, and Madrid are the best filters in my opinion. So as you can see, I am going to use San Francisco filter, and I'm gonna make the intensity a little lower just to soften up the picture, and I'm gonna save that. And so that's basically how I edit my photos. It's like very simple. So I'm going to show you guys a few of the photos that I'm going to choose and edit the same way, and have the after photos after this tutorial so you guys can see how they turned out. So I'm going to go into effects and go to VHS and number 4. And I am keeping distortion at 0. They usually just keep how you had your filters in the last time, so it makes it easier and less of a hassle to keep editing your photos. And so now I'm going to basically go into effects, San Francisco number 4, I believe, and intensify it to like 60 or 52. So yeah, that's basically how I edit my photos. This app just makes it everything easy to edit. It's not like too hard like Lightroom. Lightroom is like a lot more buttons and just a lot of work. Prequel just makes everything easy. As long as your photos are top quality, I think you'll be good. So as you can see, they have other filters, so I'm going to show you guys all the other filters they have to offer. If you guys want like a little tutorial or look through of all the filters that they have, I'll be happy to do that. So these are all the different filters. They're super cool filters. In my opinion, this is talent, okay? Whoever make these filters put a lot of time, because with the filters, it comes with the, what am I trying to say? With the effects. Why am I saying filters? Okay, so with the effects option, they have filters with the option. So I think it's super cool that they basically do all the work for you. So that's why I say it's worth the money. And so I'm going to show you this really cool effect that a lot of people caught on to on my Instagram, which is the glitch effect. This effect makes your pictures look super cute, video style, like real vintage aesthetic look. I like this one the best. And then you can actually add a filter on top of that, which is the San Francisco I'm gonna do. So there's a bunch of filters. Like, you guys have options, you guys. And they do have the D3D effect on here, so you can make your photos in 3D. So it's really cool. I think it's worth the money. These are what they basically look like after. So yeah. So that's basically how I edit my photos for the mirror challenge. I highly recommend it because I am going to start using it on my Instagram post as well. It's just beautifully aesthetic photos. All I used was a mirror and this. A lot of people like to use their stands or whatever. I just feel like I like how my case looks in the mirror as well, and I like, you know, just the aesthetic of me taking a photo in the mirror. Comment down below if you have any more questions that I'm leaving out. I do have an iPhone 11 Pro. It takes really good quality photos. I did not use portrait mode. I did use photo mode. Honestly, I don't really like portrait mode like that anymore. I don't know why. I just feel like I get more crisp images using the regular photo mode. That's basically it, you guys. Comment down below if you have any questions that I'm missing out. Follow me on all social media platforms. If you show support, I will basically give away my $25 Apple gift card, so you guys can purchase the app or any app that you like. That's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, you guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to hashtag Reesie Gang if you join the fam today. Love you. Bye. Come and blow back, come and blow back, come and blow back.